Yogi Snack. We're going to snack on some info about our hips today. So, for example, if you are in a warrior 2, conveniently I have a mat with a line down the center, so I will put one foot along the center line and my back foot. For me, in my warriors, I like my back foot to be on the arch, to be on the center line of the mat. For other people, maybe they prefer their heel on the center line of the mat. It's completely up to how your hips are built. So with my alignment, heel to arch, and in my warrior 2, my hips, in order for my knee not to go all wibbly wobbly wonky, I need my hips to face a 45-degree angle. So when you hang out in your warrior 2 and bring in your tips about the foot connection from the last Yogi Snack, then you can start to think about your hips and where they need to be. Check out my knee. If I do it this way, wibble, wobble, when I change my hips, my knee changes. So if I can stop thinking about trying to get my hips to face the side of the mat in my warrior 2 and check out my knee and make my knee face the front and track over my toes in warrior 2, then my hips will be where they need to be for my anatomy, for my alignment. And then of course draw up through the arches, keep that foot connection, and I will be back with your next Yogi Snack about how to create strength in this warrior 2.